Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide notes on Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram apps. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So let's get started. Look at the right side, tap onto message icon. Now shown here to note option. Simply click on to note. Click on here. Now shown here to two option. Select the second option, close friend. Type here this account. Select this is my current account. Select and tap on to done. Okay, now done. So that's how we can easily hide notes on Instagram. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.